Hello, welcome back to the Small Simple Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making chicken parcels with tzatziki and naan bread. So what you'll need: chicken breast, 2 small leeks, 2 carrots, garlic clove, salt, pepper, where's my pepper gone? Tarragon. That's for the chicken. Now let's move on to the tzatziki. 1 cucumber, salt again, freshly chopped mint. Well, that's from the garden. I grew that myself. Oh, don't put it on the floor. I'll have to wash that bit again now. Garlic cloves, some caster sugar, and some Greek style yogurt. Right, let's begin. Start with the cucumber. Right, we need to cut this and de-seed it. Begin by peeling it. Start like that. Done. Get rid of that. And now what you need to do is cut it off the cut it in half, cut it in half again. Right. See? Now what we want to do is remove these seeds with a spoon, and you should see it there. Look, scoop all out. Oh, look at that, straight down the middle. So you don't need the seeds, all you need is the cucumber flesh, is that what you call it? Okay, do that on all of them, but the seeds are softer than the flesh bit, so you'll be alright, just do it. Do whichever way you can. Get rid of that bit, you don't want that. Cut these up thinly. Now we're going to do that. Let's put it, no. Do that. Little tiny strips. Here, lovely. Craft and they are lovely. Right, in the bowl you want to put your cucumber in and add it to 1 teaspoon of salt. What this does, it removes the bitterness from the cucumber. Obviously you're not going to be eating like this, you're going to be rinsing it afterwards. Get all that in there so it absorbs that bitterness. What we're going to do, we're going to put this to the side and leave it for about 20 minutes. So while that's doing that thing, we'll do something else. While the cucumbers in the salt, we'll get on with the chicken parcel. So your leeks, I'm just going to chop these up quite finely. I'm going to remove that first leaf, not going to be using that bit. Do that, and then we shall give it a wash. Let's just chop this up quite thin, like that, about 4 millimeters. About there, and then same with the other one, so it should all break up a little bit. Do you know what? Let's do this, just to break up the middle bit, so it's easier to work with. Okay, that's more crumbly. What I'm going to do on this one, put it there, put it in half first, and I've got something to work with. Last one, put it in. It's not the last one, but that bit there, isn't it? So again, chop in half. Done. That go in a bowl. So we need to grate this carrot, but what I like to do first is peel it. Makes it look nice too. And then I'm going to chop off that end there. Pop it off, leave that other end on. That gives you something to hold on to while you grate it. Start grate. Okay, so keep grating your carrot. Oh, tired out now. Load of carrot, lovely fresh chopped carrot, grated I mean. Okay, so I'm going to put that over there with the rest of, just want to clean up a little bit. 2 cloves of garlic, so that one and that one, oops, don't need that one. And then we're going to finely chop this. Remove the skin. Oh, got a double one here, look. So swash it down a bit. Finely chop that. Done. Lovely bit of garlic. Tiny bowl. Garlic, put that to one side. Right, so now you've done that, you bring back your carrot and you want to mix your garlic into that, like that, and then add one teaspoon of tarragon. Nice. Black pepper, a little pinch of salt, and mix all that up together. Get all that mixed in nicely. That smells lovely too. Tarragon, garlic and carrot. And then when you're happy with that, put that to one side, and then we'll continue with the next step. Okay, so once you've done your carrot mix, you're going to have some greaseproof paper and a baking tray ready, because you're going to wrap your chicken up, put it on your baking tray. So what you need to do is make 4 squares, because I've got 4 bits of chicken breast. I'm just going to measure that side there, look, roughly about the size of that. That's your baking paper ready. Divide your mixture between each parchment paper, but because I've only got a small simple kitchen, I've had to spread it all around. Some's on my cooker and that side, couples over here, but I've managed it. So let's get on with the work. You get your chopped up leek and divide it between all 4 parchment papers. Like that. I'll only show you 2 because the other 2 is over that side. On top of the leek, you want to be putting 1 chicken breast. Like that. Straight on the top, lovely. On the top, lovely. You can see that, can you? Just there, look. Lovely. Lovely. Get your carrot mix, and you want to divide this up. So now you've got your chicken on your leek, you want to divide up your carrot mixture between each 4 parcels. This, one bit on the top, lovely. So one, just here, look. See this one? One bit on the top. Now what you should have is a little chicken stack on the paper. See? Lovely. All of those. All around the little kitchen. And now you need to parcel them up. Let's fold them up. Right, I think the best way to do this is over the top. Like that. Then do that with the ends. One, it's like in a chip shop. Okay, done that. Now just need to put them on the baking tray. Now you can pop them in the oven. Gas mark 6 for half an hour. You might find that you have to take your top shelf out your oven, otherwise the parcels might not fit in because they're too big. Anyway, let's get the parcels in. Look at those. Right, while the chicken's cooking, we're going to wash the salt off of this cucumber and then we'll be back. Okay, so you've just washed that, so that's got no salt on it anymore. In the big bowl, we want to add 200 ml of Greek style yogurt. Okay, so a little stir, 200 ml. And now in your yogurt, you want to add your cucumber. Then you want to add some chopped up mint. I'm going to chop this up now. So chopped up mint. That goes in. Try to get all the bits. Nice mix up there. Nearly forgot one crushed up garlic. Do that now. Nearly forgot. Let's quickly do that. Right, garlic in. And then the last little ingredient is, oh, I've done that wrong. 1 teaspoon rather, caster sugar. Now mix it all up. Mix it all up. That's ready for serving cold. So I'll divide that up into 2 little bowls now. Tzatziki. Garnish that with a nice little bit of mint, little flower look sticking out the ground. That's full of, oh dear. There you go, lovely. They can go onto a plate, so I'll just get my plate ready. There you have it, chicken parcels with Tzatziki. Eaten straight out of the pack.